Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 36. This is grade 8 mathematics. In this video, we are going to discuss the concept of a ratio, right? So the syllabus wants you to know how to write two quantities as a ratio in simplest form. Now, in mathematics, ratio simply means you want to find out the relationship between two quantities. Okay, let me give you an example. So let's say we have cows and goats. Okay, so we have cows and goats. So let's say you have 100 cows and you have 25 goats in your cloth. Okay, so what do you want to find out? You want to find out what is the relationship between the cows and the goats. Okay, so we can see that the cows are more and the goats are less. So, but we can go more than that and say, I want to find out if I have one goat, how many cows do I have? Okay, so we call that ratio. We want to find out the relationship between the two quantities or the two farm animals. So to do that, we use a concept from mathematics called ratio. So the ratio between the cows and the goats is written like this. So you write 1 and 100 and then colon 25, and you read this as 100 to 25. Okay, so it's the same thing as just 100 over 25. So it's 100 to 25. So now you need to simplify this. The same way you simplify the common, or any fraction, you do it that way by using the highest common factor. So 25 is the highest common factor of the two numbers. 25 goes into 100 4 times, and 25 goes in itself 1 time. So now this is more meaningful than the bigger numbers, because I can see that for every 4 cows I have 1 goat. Or you can say I have more cows than the number of goats, because for every 4 cows I have 1 goat. So this is ratios. It's a concept, it's a very useful concept in mathematics, because it helps us to understand certain questions or certain situations. All right, now let us look at an activity. What we have here, I have an example. So this, I'm going to show you how to answer this, and this is for you to do. Take a picture and share with me on WhatsApp. So there are 36 learners in a class. The number of girls is 21. So we are only given the number of girls. We don't know the number of boys, but we can work it out anyway. So express the ratio of boys to girls in simplest form. Now you can see that it says boys to girls. So when you write down, your ratio must be B to G, boys to girls. Don't say, you can say girls to boys, but you need to make sure that you put the number of boys here and the number of girls here. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to figure out the number of boys. So the boys is 36, take away 21, that's 5, that's 1. So there are 15 boys. Okay, so now we can say boys to girls. The number of boys is 15 and the number of girls is 21. So we need to figure out the highest common factor of 15 and 21. So 15 over 21, the highest common factor will be 3. 3 goes into 15. 5 times 3 goes into 21. 7 times. So this is the simplest form of the ratio of boys to girls. What does it mean? It means for every 5 boys, there are 7 girls. So meaning that if I have 12 learners, 5 are boys and 7 are girls. If I have 24 learners, 10 are boys, 14 are girls, because this will also simplify to 5 over or 5 to 7. Okay, so now my friends, I want you to try this activity. So Kevin and Ketu are 20 and 20. Kevin and Ketu are 20 and 24 years respectively. Respectively simply means the 20 is for Kevin and the 24 is for Ketu. Okay. Okay, whoever came first must take the first number. Whoever came last must take the last number. So write down the ratio of their ages in simplest form. So please try to do that. Take a picture and share with me on WhatsApp. So in our next video, we are going to look at more activities, or we're going to look at more practice on how to simplify the ratio. Okay, so but at least for now, you know how to express quantities as a ratio. So you'll be given two quantities and you'll be asked to write them as a ratio, but very important, in simplest form, meaning that you must revisit the concept of finding the highest common factor, because we use it here so much. All right, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.